Today, I will teach you how to earn on Litecoin arbitrage using the SolTrade crypto exchange. The price of Ethereum on the exchange is more than $2,147. As you can see on this exchange, the cryptocurrency rate is 10% higher than on Binance. Go to the exchange for replenishment for the first time. We will approximately take an amount of 1.2 Ethereum. Copy wallet addresses, go to Binance, paste wallet address, write amount, click on withdraw. A few minutes passed in, the money came to the balance. Now we are moving into trading to sell it all. Enter the entire amount that we have and click sell. Click on withdraw, select Tether. Go to Binance to copy your USDT address. Enter the entire amount for withdrawal. Click Withdraw Now and wait for the confirmation of the transaction. A couple of minutes later, USDT was hastily brought to the finance exchange. We just made a 10% profit from one round on the difference in cryptocurrencies. This scheme will not be around for a long time. You need to use the scheme faster while it works.